I think your phone needs a tissue, or maybe a full body wash. Some ointment and a new bikini can make a world of difference. Think we'll get boot-shaped sand doing this? Guess not. This should help us make some cool shapes. You just can't go wrong with ducks. Let's make our own little flock. Let's see. I'll call that one Donald and that one Daisy. Look at all this trash. Doesn't anyone give a hoot anymore? Don't worry. These pants will save the day. We can store all this garbage in our secret compartment. Now we can repurpose them all for various crafts. Or just throw them away in the right trash receptacle. Enjoy your trip. Wow, he really makes an impression. In fact, it's so nice, let's save it for posterity. Let it dry. Well, I think it's got character. Probably should get the sand out of its nose. Add some clothes, and we've got the perfect buddy to watch our stuff. Think we'll find any buried treasure? Well, there's something down there. And this tool will help us really get digging. Wow, a phone! Does it have any bars? An iron! Just think of all the grilled cheese we can make. A rainbow huggy wuggy! Now that's what I call treasure. Looks like the tide's coming in. Say goodbye to those flip-flops. They belong to the sea now. Don't worry, we can make new ones. This balloon even gets your right size. Not only is it a custom fit, we can give it a custom design too. Now show off your brand new slippers. Just be careful around the water. When nature calls in the great outdoors. Guess we'll have to dig ourselves a bathroom. We'll need to keep it sturdy, and we don't want to leave it there. I wonder what he's going to use for TP. Let's keep that lid on tight, shall we? Ooh, look at all these balloons, and they're inflating and falling all at once. Well, it popped, but there's plenty more where that came from. What are you waiting for? Time to get popping. When it rains, it pours around here. If only that were rain. Let's make some protection from the elements. Carve out a watermelon shell. Make holes for your eyes and nose. And you've made a helmet. Why not make one for your furry friend? And this is why you should always remember to add sunblock. Some moisturizer can go a long way, too. Maybe this roller can help smooth things over. It'll take care of all that dead skin without having to buy special fish. A good idea is always worth sharing. Nothing like chocolate at the beach. Or anywhere, really. Come on, it's chocolate. Wow, he's like a turtle on his back. Sand's malleable, so we can make some room. Add a towel to keep things comfortable. What's the bigger concern, the sunburn or the octopus? Look at all those colors. Let's share it with the world. Place them all inside a bag and then close it up tight. Don't just poke it. We really want to squish them. We'll need the heavy stuff. Bring out the mallet. Now you can beat the heat. See, we came back to the sunburn. Oh, there's gotta be a less messy way of eating watermelon. But now there is. This utensil not only helps cube the melon for you, you can use the fork to eat it too. Or you can save the cubes for later, or stacking.
Ouch!
Oh no! Your poor phone! Where's a bag of rice when you need it? Better yet, get out some waterproof cards. Lay them out into the water. See, they're perfectly fine when wet.
Wow.
Now take some tape and align them together. It's like a little pool floaty for your phone or your sandwich. You can never be too careful on a hot day.
Ew.
I'd say be careful, but free sunscreen's free sunscreen. Here's a way to practice your drawing skills. Let it settle for a little while.
Wow.
And you've got a twist on temp tattoos. Just make sure you'll tan, not burn. No wonder some people are really into shoes. Next time, try these invisible beach shoes. Just peel it off and add to your sole. They'll protect you while keeping your feet free. Never fear blocks again, but some things need something a little sturdier. Is it too bright outside? Before considering living underground, try this. Take a plastic knife and add some heat. Bend it into place and add another knife. You'll have a nifty pair of sunglasses. So, did the butler do it? Probably shouldn't have skipped that pedicure. Don't worry, Mother Nature will provide. These quail eggs won't just hide your dirty nails. They'll help make them look brand new. Let's return the favor and give the quails some eggs back. Incredible stuff. A day at the beach. Or a giant sandbox. Either way, need to add water if we want to start building. Oh, a sand donut. Guess it needs a good wash. Huggy Wuggy! Looks more like a swimmer's cap than a ball. Oh, we're filling it up just like a water balloon. Let's just hope it doesn't break like one. Well, so far it seems pretty resilient, and it's a great partner for jumping jacks. But it's probably too squishy to use as a medicine ball. Hey, buddy, watch where you're going. What luck! This makes snowballs. But will it work on the sand? Seems like it. It's time for revenge. Don't mess with Mama Bird, buddy. I'd say wipe your feet, but that's what started this mess. Well, we can use this nice clean sheet as a backup. And these four corners give us a bunch of handy pockets. Room for a tub to wash your feet, and even a towel for drying. Oh no! I mean, who goes in the water and expects to get wet? Looks like it's time for a little payback. And if this fails, those ducks are ready at the quack of dawn. Ha! Look out! A shark! Or even worse, a dolphin! Seriously, even sharks are scared of dolphins. Floating on the water sure makes a girl hungry. Got anything to eat? I'd say not to bite it, but she needs to learn the difference between real and fake donuts. Oh, this bottle can float. If only we could harness its powers. Tie a bunch of them with strong rope and secure with ties. Ooh, well, what do you know? It works. Let's just hope she doesn't try to eat it. Bubbles are a lot of fun, but we can top that. We'll make a bubble so big, SpongeBob would be proud. Hey, SpongeBob likes bubbles because he's a sponge. Oh, I just got that. Oh, maybe we should wait for things to calm down. Yeah, let's play in the sand and make a nice, safe hole. Better yet, add a shower curtain, add some water, and it's your own pool. Oh, cold. Where's a portable hot tub when you need one?
Oh.
Well, this electric kettle will do for the time being. Just right, and plenty of room for a doggy paddle. You know, some people change before they hit the beach. And I'm beginning to see the reason for that. But with a little know-how, changing on the beach isn't so strange. Although it looks like she was just wearing the top underneath. Oh, a new inflatable? Didn't she already have one? Or did she try to eat it? Huh? Oh, I see. She's making a collection. Just add some strong tape and enough of these floating circles. And it's like we have our own little house. Plenty of windows. Let's just hope it doesn't rain. Now to see if it floats. Let this be a lesson to remember your sunscreen. Those starry sunglasses really left an impression.
Ouch!
You can't beat aloe vera when it comes to sunburn.
Mm-hmm.
We'll need to slice it up to get to all that good stuff. Add it to the case and shake it up. It's like roll-on deodorant for your face. I think you just sat in something. Yeah, that's gonna leave a stain. What is it anyway? Oh no,
Ew,
not your
yuck.
chocolate bar. This just isn't your day. Oh, great idea. Like a chocolate fountain without the cleanup. melted too. Just snip and pour directly into your mouth. Dipping things is nice, but the point is always the chocolate. Come on, you can play on your phone and eat snacks at home.
Ew.
But I guess you can't leave all your money out in the open. Let's fill up this glass jar with all your valuables. Gotta keep that money safe. We need it to buy more gummy bears. Bury it in the sand and leave a mark so you'll find it. Come on now, that water's not gonna enjoy itself. Uh-oh. Something feels off. Is it another chocolate bar? Oh, what a cute little shovel. Now we can find that case. Oh, money. Always a good find.
Wow.
And the best part about sand is that it's easy to customize. Beach-tacular stuff. Catch you next time.